I could code right now. Or
what's in the box?
we can open the box. If the box has a puzzle in it, this is a puzzle of sorts. Okay, this is the robot arm you bought me, chat.
People demand a robot arm.
This robot arm will be chat controlled similar to the Vesta board. How do I build this? This has come with no instructions. The QR codes are all links to something else. Okay, all right. We're gonna be, I feel like we're about to control the fiberglass submarine to the Titanic. Okay, oh, I know how to do this part. Chat, I know how to do this part. Fuck yeah. I think you need a drill press to build this. Says you, dude. I went to this fucking tutorial download. This looks like the arm. I think these are motors. What does bus servo mean? What do I do with this? I said I was not going to unbox everything, and I unboxed everything. So I guess we're building this. Fix the rotational station and the main servo horn. Bro, what does that even fucking mean? Okay, we can do this, chat. I don't know what screw to use. It says rivets several. What the fuck is the M35 round head mechanical screw? I'm just gonna pretend like these are the ones. What's the worst that can happen? It's just the robot, right? It only took us fucking 20 minutes to figure out what screw goes into this godforsaken, no manual Andy arm. Okay, this WikiHow says this is the first step. Oh, it's the base. Bro, every time they show a piece, I swear to God, I don't have it. You know, I should have just bought this assembled. Regretfully, there are no written or audio instructions, so you have to follow the video really closely. The only way to do it is through the fucking videos. And they don't even start with this thing. They start with this thing. Okay, they put the nipples on this thing. Okay, so this is the bottom plate. Is that what it's called? No, this is called the metal plate. Unscrew a bunch of shit, then put it face down into it and screw shit back in. I could see myself rage quitting and breaking this. You know what they say in robot building, right? Guessing is good. Thomas Edison said that before he invented robots. Then I put the copper pillars. Oh, that's easy. They look like pillars and they're made of copper. So now it wants me to take this thing and it like touches this kind of sexually. So then we're supposed to use this stuff. And one has like, it's ribbed for some reason. Oh, it's fucking gross. Greasy. Then we put this over it. This song's so old. I remember seeing this band when I was in high school, so like mid-2000s. The first time I saw these guys was after Dashboard Confessional came out with places that you come to fear the most. The last time I saw them was this like tiny venue in San Francisco, and I told them, this was when I was a journalist, so it was like nearly 10 years later. I told him, hey, remember when you played at this venue, blah, 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 with Dashboard? He was like, yeah, were you there? I'm like, yeah, dude, I was in high school, and now I'm a journalist, and like, I interview you guys, and and this guy, their bassist, was like, he thought that was so cool. He like hugged me, gave me a beer, and then gave me some stickers. And I actually have those stickers in, I have those stickers still. They're like these like glittery My Little Pony stickers that he would put on his guitar. So yeah, that was the first time where like, Someone just genuinely seemed appreciative of me being around as a journalist. At the time, I thought it was like, oh, fuck yeah. Someone actually thinks I belong in this industry. Now I need to take this round.
Put it in.
Jesus! Oh, so loud. Bro, I'm so glad I didn't follow the Instructables, because they did this wrong. Fucking trolls. Is this Mark Rober's dropshipping company? It's me, dude. The bracket part with holes should be opposite the end of servo number 6. I don't know what the fuck that means. Wait, some of these are tiny. Like, this screw is tinier than the other ones. That's 2 different heights of screws. Why are they different? Because God has forsaken us. Okay, now I need... Apparently I need these 2 motherfuckers now. Does this say 4? That has to be a 4, right? Yeah, that's a 4. This guy is touching so many fucking things. Just touch the thing that you want to use. It's pointing at, okay, hey, have this thing, don't lock it in. Then it just goes to a fucking shot of this thing, pointing at some fucking screws pointed up. M210 in the gripper bag. Their meaty grippers are going to be used in this way for me. And if that's wrong, I'm wrong. I didn't say that. Let me put the nuts on the gripper. Okay, where did that go? It was over here. The worst part is, chat, my vents, like for air conditioning and heating and everything, they're all on the floor. Like, it landed here. It could have easily gone into there, which is where the air conditioning vent is. This is like where the TISM comes in. Last time I helped build a robot was in robotics club in high school. All right, we're on to part 3. For all those people who are like, that can't be how you're supposed to do it. This is what I just saw in the video. Just fucking clobber this in there. I believe I've clobbered it in there correctly. The drummer for this band used to hold a couple world records in Donkey Kong Jr. I believe Steven Kleinmeth, is that his name? Finding out that someone who has like a cool job or does something cool also is like extremely successful in some other industry. I always think that's cool. Like, it's already hard enough to have one job that you're competent and good at, but to have like 2 that you're just like world renowned in both, it seems like the fucking lottery, you know? Yeah, people shit on Gordon Ramsay for all sorts of stuff, but like, Gordon Ramsay played in the English Premier League, regardless of how well he did, he played in the English Premier League, and then is a world-renowned restaurateur and businessman. Like, what a lotto. Robot arm is going okay. Please pay attention to the direction of the bracket. This is the side of assistant servo horn. It wants me to put it like this. I'm literally using a bottle opener to pop off these screws. A long time ago, I opened for Japanese breakfast in a really tiny venue in Utah. And this girl I was dating at the time, she never wanted to go to my shows. She probably should have taken the hint at that point. Almost 10 years later, she texted me like, do you listen to Japanese breakfast? I'm like, yeah, what about them? Like, oh my god, they're so good. Why didn't you tell me about them? I'm like, bitch, I played with them, and you were my girlfriend at the time. That's the end? You got to be kidding me. Everything moves, yep. Everything has a little movement in there. Okay, cool, cool. Nice, all right, turn it, oh. All right, they're gonna turn it on now. Oh? They don't turn it on? And that's the end of the fucking playlist? This has absolute disaster failure written all over it, by the way, Chad. Okay? That light went on, that's good. When I do things, like this light here, it blinks. Okay, so there's signal going through. Okay. Oh shit! Oh shit! It can't grab the baseball, it's too big. Oh! Let's go! Ah, fuck. That's pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty satisfying. Now we just have to work on the software. Try to get chat to make it do something. Like rotate left, rotate right. So swivel, arm out, arm back, gripper open, gripper close. There'll be a lot of coding streams for that one. But once we get that going, we might want to like think of more like large scale celebratory arm movement. And it just like does a few different things in a row. Can we use it to throw things at you? You could use it to probably poke me, but I don't know about throwing things. All right, chat. It is 2. We spent 4 hours building a robot, plus a couple more hours before that, but yes. I don't know how pumped y'all are, but I'm kind of through the moon right now. This is great. To the moon, through the roof, both. I'm psyched. Let me put the nuts on the gripper.